Mamanu. Mamanu. Rienu. Nwanu. Zonu. Odogu.
Dalon. Oh, jeze naka.
Hey. Namubu. Okay, can play better. Olisa nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Anyị na-eche ọjị a n'ihu gị. Anyị na-asị gị ka ị nara mbuli elu ihe niile nke anyị ga-eme. Ka ọ ga-abụ ka ị gọziela anyị ọjị a. Anyị taa ya ka anyị tata ndụ, tata ịhụnanya, tata ịdị n'otu. Ije ndị ọgọ anyị ji wee bata n'ebe a ga-abụ ije ọma. Ihe ha na-achọ ka ha ga-enweta. Ha nabazia, ha ga-ejikwa ụkwụ ha ji wee bịa n'ego na wee na n'udo. N'aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.
Nke a bụ ọjị ilu ụlọ.
Ka ngwazi ọjị.
Chief, my name is Ipo. The young man sitting beside me, by name Namdi, is my nephew, my late brother's son. The other two men are my kinsmen. We came all the way from Abia State because my nephew here told us that he saw a flower, a very beautiful flower in your house. That is why we are here, to know what we should do so that my nephew can go with that beautiful flower his heart desires.
You are welcome. Thank you. Well, I have two of such beautiful flowers in my house. So you need to be more explicit so that I will know which of the flowers you're referring to.
Grace.
Grace. Adako. 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 Do you know that young man seated beside you?
Yes, Daddy, I know him.
He came with his uncle and his kinsmen to ask for your hand in marriage. So I asked them to be patient. Let me send for you. Because you are the only authority that can give consent to the marriage. So I'm asking you now before them. Do you want to marry him?
Your groom is here.
Yes, Daddy. I'll marry him.
So I can now accept the drinks they came with.
Yes, Daddy.
Today is the day of joy, the day of joy, the day of joy. Today is the day of joy, the day of joy, that the Lord has made you. Today is the day of joy, the day of joy. Hey! Today is the day of joy, the day of joy, the day of joy. Devil, you're a liar. You cannot bring destruction to my day of joy. It's not possible. Hey. Hey. Father Lord, you said in your word that orphan, say you go there for us. Father, as you provide this food, let my enemies not return. Father, anywhere when this food come out, Father Lord, as it Father, as this food sweet, bring sweetness inside my life. Jesus name, amen. Please sweet all. Ha! Hey! Hey! Imagine, now your weight, not my weight. You got no sense with that one. My mama won't born me, like me like this. Girlfriend when I get now, like me like this. Even woman when I go marry in future, like me like this. Then you won't be just wife when they never marry. Won't even complain about my weight. Now your weight. They never marry yourself, you don't give water like this. Just say, it's time you're marry you come to this house. Hunger to kill everybody.
Like this. You just said yes. You should be happy. I don't understand you. Why is your face like this? Today is your day. You should be happy. Sis.
Sweetheart. Good evening. How are you? Okay. Hope you're still coming back tomorrow.
No. I still have one or two things to fix here, so I don't know when I'll be coming back.
You don't know yet? Huh. Sweetheart, is there any problem? I don't like the way you're sounding.
There is no problem. Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, fine. I need you to come back as soon as possible so we can start making plans for our wedding. I don't want to delay anymore. You should just cut the call.
Give me a cup of water.
Cup of water, okay. It's water.
Yes, okay. Huh? Bring out your hand, let's give it a drink.
Are you sure this one will work?
Yes, no.
This was what you said yesterday, but since then nothing has changed.
Don't worry, eh? There's a very powerful drug I added to this one. It will restore her health, oh? Don't worry, let's just give her this
Okay, Mama, did you hear that? This one is very powerful and you'll be very fine. Nothing will happen to you. Oh! Want me to raise her up?
Yes, raise her up. Well, take the water. Give it to her.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. What will happen to you?
Yeah, take it. Sorry, oh? Sorry.
Sorry, do you want more water? You'll be fine, Edo, thank you so much. So, how much is it?
150 naira.
150 naira?
Yes.
Hi, Edo, you are never my person. I will not lie to you. I only have 70 naira here.
Ah, 70 naira?
Edo, I promise I will bring the balance to you as soon as I get it. I promise. Oh?
Mara, no problem. Go and get the money.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Don't worry.
was complaining that you have been avoiding his call since last night.
Daddy, please, I really don't want to talk about this.
What do you mean you don't want to talk about this? What happened?
Nothing happened. Everything is fine. There's no problem.
So why haven't you been picking his calls if nothing happened?
Because I simply don't want to talk to him. And he should stop bothering me with his calls.
It's your husband we are talking about here, young woman.
Dad, he's not yet my husband. Besides, my spirit does not accept him.
But your mouth accepted him before me and his kinsmen. And you told us you will marry him.
Dad, see, there is something definitely not right about this marriage. My spirit is not at peace with it.
That your spirit had better find peace. Because your marriage with that young man is already settled. And there's no going back on it. Besides, Obunabali told me that he is your God-ordained husband. So what else do you want?
Daddy, see, I love Nnamdi. I really do love him. And I want to be his wife. But there is something, I feel it.
The earlier you stop that feeling, the better for you. Now, pick up your phone. Call him and apologize. Right now.
I'll call him later.
She will not call me back. She won't reply my messages. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Well, then why don't you call the father to
I've done that. I've called the father. He said she didn't tell him anything.
Are you sure she's not suspecting anything?
Honestly, I don't know.
Have you ever been left all alone? Left to find the way, and you don't even know who you are. Trying to find yourself. Too many questions on my mind. What am I to do now? That a dead can't talk. Who am I to ask? I'm living through you. So don't let me die. Baby.
See, Oga, I know say you did very tired, and I get therapy for this your tiredness. Oga, if you see food, I prepared something in the kitchen.
You made food. What did you cook?
Rice, garnished with salt. Everything, Maggie. When can we put?
Okay, put some for me. Let me taste it. Okay?
I'm a mega like here. Let me get it, sir. He served.
Thank you.
I'll be going. One more thing. Please, in any way that you need more, just call me. Mama Jukwere Girls, I will give you more. Ask for more, I will give you, sir.
Otali! 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 Come here! Come here! What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? How can you put all the pepper in this one in a plate of food? Are you drunk? Did they pay you to kill me?
Okay, I go kill you. Now, madam talk say they like pepper rice, so.
But, come here, come here.
I just ask you,
Come
me now, more you want.
Follow me. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. Taste the food you gave to me. Eat it. Eat.
I won't mark him.
Eat.
I'm not good with rice.
I said eat.
Okay, eat up in the morning.
Ngakwa isu. Eat. Taste it, go on. Eat. Eat.
Okay, sir. Can I eat bread and donuts?
Open. Maybe on again. Eat. Open your mouth. Open. Keep eating. Don't try it. Eat. Don't try me. Finish this food. This is rubbish you made for me. You want to kill me? Eat it. Swallow. Continue. Why do you want to see it? Come on to my family. Walk. Take more rice.
It's okay. Let me talk me time.
Yeah, you can see. sick.
I don't even know how I got here.
Anxiety and confusion brought you here. Step in if you want to talk about it.
I wish to talk about it. Namdi.
I am not Namdi. I am the Enigma!
If truly he is not Namdi, then who is he?
He is a fallen angel from the third heaven, an archdemon from the pit of hell.
Archdemon?
Yes! He disguises himself and appears in that form to distract you from getting married to your predestined husband. Oh!
Prophetess, please help me. What do I do?
Wait. Nano, Kube Shetoribo Santa. Ye, Namia speak ye, Yerigomia, Sintoribo Santa, Ye Kiribo Santa. Elohim!
Please, what do I do? What do I do to set myself free from this demon?
Nibozi no nuzae. Batao. Nibozi no nuzae. Batao. Nelekwefa. Habatago. Bata. Shift. Habatago. Hey. Ne. Habatago. Halu get beregi. Asa get beregi. Fegini me yaka. Tefere yaka. Tiba hallelujah. Holy. They have answered your prayer. Father, the only thing remaining now is to take a spiritual cleansing.
Prophetess, thank you. So when is the spiritual cleansing going to
Hey! Chiri. Fanegu. Yeke. Ribo. Yeke. They said you must sow a seed of 150,000 naira. It will enable me to buy the cleansing materials. Holy!
Prophetess, the seed is not a problem. The money is not a problem. So when exactly are we starting? When do we start?
Opo. Nano. Shetoribo Santa. Yeke. Mfalat. Nyegidate. Holy!
Let me have your account number so I can make a transfer.
Hey! 00. Debia. 31. 22. Yeah! 09.
Sorry, how many 09?
Ofu 09. Debia. Ofu 09. 22. 6.
How many 2? Sorry.
2 6
Have you ever been lost within yourself, trying to find a way? Have you ever been dead but still alive, trying to make a way. Yeah, it's not a pleasant sight, not a pleasant life, but all my life I've lived this way. All my life I've been this way. I'm living in you. So don't let me die, babe. I'm breathing to you. So don't take that breath away.
Wait. What happened to today's date? Today na 29, no. And Oga never pay me. You never even call me. Say how far for my money. What? You sure it's not be because of this pepper rice where I give him? Hey! You know, to go beg him. Okay? Since pepper did the rice, to cook another one. No. Somebody like him when fell like that, you go like vegetable. Okay. Correct. If you chop this one, you no pay me. You know, say my village people they pursue me. No, I no more. This is a song for victory. Anye meriwo, oh anye meriwo. Ekele diri na onye nyere anyị ike ya o.
You are free. Go and enjoy your marriage. I say, go and enjoy your marriage. Yo! Yeah. Go and enjoy your marriage. You are free. You are free from that demonic. You are free from that demonic spirit. Hey! Yeah. Hey, go Mia. What are you doing? Say it. Hey, Mia.
vex, sir. You know, say everybody for this life deserves second chance. I won't use this period to say I did sorry for the kind of food I cooked for you last night. And I don't make up my mind to do better. Oga, as you come out, now I just go do research on how to cook vegetable soup. Hey, Oga, I don't browse them. Just give me 5 minutes to arrange them. If you see the way I set them, put okra. Just carry like okashi, add them up. Oga, no nubu, they come tell Ogashi how far high they do for this soup. The only thing why I know say we no go there for this soup well, unless say salt to go pass and pepper, no go down like day before. Just 5 minutes, you go like the soup. If offer, you got like it.
Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, sir.
You didn't tell me you were coming back.
Well, I wanted to surprise you. And guess what? I got you. Babe, so how was your day?
Fine. Stressful as usual. Fine.
So sorry about that. Well, I knew your day was going to be stressed. That was why I prepared your favorite. I made you peppered rice. So you go up and freshen up while I go inside and get your dinner ready. So you come down and eat, okay? Come. Please. I'm sorry for my behavior for the past few days. I'm really sorry about that. It won't happen again. I promise. Sure. Thank you. Okay, so go up and freshen up. Let me go get dinner ready, okay?
Baby, you're the love of my life. Honey, you're the love of my life. I didn't mean to cause you pain, never meant to let you down. Baby, you're the only one that brings me fulfillment. I cannot leave you, baby. Tell me, oh, if I leave you, baby, my world comes to end. Baby, you're the only one, the only one. I swear you're the only one that can fill that empty space. Baby, you're the love of my life. Honey, you're the love of my life. I didn't mean to cause you pain, never meant to let you down. Baby, you're the only one that brings me fulfillment. I cannot leave you, baby. Tell me, oh, if I leave you, baby, my world comes to
Oh my
end.
God! God is a faithful God. God will not allow you to die prematurely. Do you know that I was in Kodolu when I heard of your death? And I rejected it immediately. Chai! How can you die? I know that this God is so faithful. Even in that faithlessness, he remained faithful. Hi!
What are you talking about? Are you not mistaking me for someone else?
What do you mean? Auntie Teresa.
I don't know you. Don't talk to me.
Oh yeah. Have you ever been lost within yourself?
You shouldn't have walked out of that girl just like that. At least you should have explained things to her.
Explain what? What am I explaining to? Didn't you hear? She was talking nonsense. How can you tell me that you heard I was dead? Am I not alive? Rubbish.
Well, it's obvious she mistook you for someone else. All you could have done was just tell her it's not you. Explain a little than just walking out.
I don't have time to explain anything to Front. I know her type. The next thing she would have told me to give her some money that she left her place in Cotonou and she needs money to go back to her family. So trust.
No.
Nobody can take advantage of me like that. If you want money, come out plain and ask me for money, I'll give you. Once you start such stories, I'll just...
I'm breathing to you. So don't take that breath away. Have you ever been left all alone? Left to find the way, and you don't even know who you are. Trying to find yourself. Too many questions on my mind. What am I to do now that a dead can't talk? Who am I to ask? I'm living through you. So don't let me die, baby. I'm breathing through you. So don't take
something is before you. And I want to talk about it right now.
What is it?
I want you to take me to your village. I want to see your people.
Not again. Not again. I thought we were done with this topic.
No, we're not done with it. In fact, we've not even concluded. We've not even decided on anything. We're still on it.
We can't be on it now. You've seen my uncle and my kinsmen at when we came to your place. Uncle Igbo, you saw him. Who else do you want to see?
I want to see your mother. I want to see your mother and I want to see her tomorrow.
You cannot see my mother tomorrow. That's because I won't be going to the village tomorrow. Let's discuss this some other time. I need to sleep.
Okay, fine. If you don't want to go to the village tomorrow, give me the direction to your village. I will go alone.
You can't find my village. Big if.
I will find it. Give me the direction. I will find it. I know your surname. All I need to do is when I get to your village, I ask for your family house.
I cannot find my village. Even if you use Google Map, take you there when it's time.
I don't know what you're talking about. All I know is tomorrow I am going to your village. It's either you take me or you give me the direction.
not a pleasant sight, not a pleasant life. But all my life I've lived this way. All my life I've been this way. I'm living in you. So don't let me die.
Are you good? Yes, sir. But madam, please, when you got there, walk your tire. You have a flat tire. Okay. Very, very flat. Oh.
No problem, I'll pump it. How about the keys? Did you start the car?
Away.
afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Please help me pump the back tire. This one on the right. Then check the rest if there is hair in.
Okay. Yeah. Madam, I don't finish.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. How much, sir?
200 naira only.
200.
Thank you.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Please, your face looks very familiar. Do I know you?
No, this place is my post. I don't stay here for more than 7 years, and I here that attend to customers. Maybe now here you meet me, not be another place.
The thing is, I don't stay around here, sir. Like, this is actually the first time I'm coming around this area. But I know this face. I've seen it somewhere. I think I know you from somewhere.
Maybe you are mistaking me for someone else. Please, thank you, madam. Let me attend to other people. Thank you. Thank you.
No, we've not fixed the date yet. No, we'll be soon. Of course. Come on, there's no way we'll fix a date and I will let you know. I will. No, I'll keep you posted. Okay? I won't hate you. Yes, I know. Take care of yourself, huh? Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh my God, so funny.
Omeleme, akwangwa, anyango toto.
Aha! I said it. That man's face is familiar. Now I remember where I saw him. That is Nnamdi's uncle. Oh my God, and I didn't remember. But why did he say anything? I mean, didn't he recognize me or something? Okay, I need to go back. Let me ask him how to get to know this place so I can meet his mom.
This woman wants to show for me. Eh? Chai. How much are they making here? Eh? When she wants for the show, when I don't make big money already. Sassy, as her eye just the red. Come here again.
sold everything. I bought you drugs to take and some food stuff for me to cook for you.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you.
Fine. Let me go in and prepare food for you to eat. Then you can take your drugs. And you'll be very fine.
Bless you.
Good afternoon.
Well done. Please, I'm looking for the vulcanizer.
He didn't come today, madam. If you want to pump your tire, there's another vulcanizer you passed. Come that way.
No, I don't want to pump my tire. I actually want to see him. There is something very important I want to discuss with him.
If you want to see him, then you can go to his house.
Hey,
What do you know his house?
no.
Madam, the street is just 3rd street ahead here now.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you know the exact the name of the street?
There's that address. That should be Agupusi. Agupusi. Just take this road straight.
Okay.
Agupusi number 3.
Wait, off this road.
Yeah, just go straight.
Yes.
The 4th street.
Okay.
On your left.
Okay.
That's
Number 3.
Number 3, yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you. Ma, please.
One by
No, ma. I'm actually looking for number 3 Agupusi.
This is number 3.
This is number 3. Okay, thank you, ma. I'm looking for the vulcanizer that stays at off the street, the 3rd junction. Like when you get out to the express.
Is there any problem?
No, not at all, ma. No problem.
Okay. You know they're for house now. He will soon be back. If there is anything, you give me the message. When he comes back, I will give it to him and his wife.
Oh, you're his wife? Nice to meet you, ma. Good afternoon. Well done, ma. Actually, I am Nnamdi's wife.
Nnamdi?
Yes, ma.
Nnamdi?
His nephew, your husband's nephew.
Nnamdi?
Yes,
his nephew.
Your husband's nephew?
My husband's nephew. Can't remember any nephew of my husband by name Nnamdi. No.
Ma, this is his picture.
Don't think I know this person.
Ma, sorry, let me show you another one. This is him. You don't know him?
No. I don't know him at all. Thank God he's here. Pardon, sir.
I know I disrespected you and your family. For that, I'm deeply sorry. But the truth is, any man in my shoes will do the same.
You think there is any reason good enough to justify what you did to my family and I? Nnamdi, you came with imposters to our house to perform my marital rites. My marital rites. Nnamdi, what is wrong with you? What are you hiding? Don't you have people? Did you fall from the sky? Are you a ghost? Get on, Igbo!